you know guys how to get raccoon. Subscribe and like the video and go in your Roblox. You have a raccoon now in Roblox. Look at this is my phone and you subscribe. This is another raccoon. I'm joking, not raccoon. I give yours chicken jockey. Okay guys. Okay guys, I give you two egg. Make sure your gamut is empty like this. Don't see. They're not okay. This like this dragon so big. Another one. Look this guys. Be with me. And like this. Gorilla. See that? That is very epic.